This is the VMAC RAPTAIR60 Diesel Drive Air Compressor Control Box. Purpose of this video is to show you some of the features that this technology is available to you on this unit. Turn the key to on. What you'll see come up here will be the part of it will be the system check. You'll get the company phone number. You'll get the website, and you'll get the hours that are on the unit. On this particular unit, you can see there's 274 hours. So we're ready to go. What we do is I'll turn the key. What's going to happen is the glow plugs are going to engage, and it'll go through a start series. You get an audible alarm, so that lets everybody know if they're working on the unit. Unload, and then the system is running. What happens is when that times out, the air compressor kicks out. After that, what will happen is that should a further minute go by and no air is being used, the system is going to sense that and shut the engine down. What has happened now is the system has sensed no air has been used, so it shut itself down and gone to a standby mode. When this happens, you'll get a visual on the light here so that you know the system's in a standby mode. It'll sit here in this position until it senses a pressure drop. So we'll bleed some air off. You'll see how the engine will restart, the glow plugs will engage, and the system will go back into a running mode and come up so the fella can go to work right away.
Yep. Yep.
Back up to the 150 psi, and now it'll go through the same cycle again as there's no air is being used, and it'll shut itself down. What I'm going to show you now is some of the features of the control box for settings and how you can help tech support or the mechanic troubleshoot this unit should you need to. If there was a failure, the unit will shut down and the warning light, a red warning light, will come on, and there'll be you could get a code here saying system error. What you do is you hold the what you do is hold the back and next buttons in. That brings up the setup diagnostic menu.
It just goes through. It just goes through and explains it. There you go.
So now we're in the user setup. It'll tell you when the unit needs servicing.
Let's go back. Exit to get better. Go back to setup. There you go. Enter.
So now we hit the enter button. And you can just scroll through these. Show you the different features. Standby. You can set these units up so that through the night, if this unit was to be left on the site or left on a truck and it was paramount that it was able to start in the morning, that you needed to use it, based on engine coolant temperature of -5 degrees Fahrenheit, this unit will start itself throughout the night when the temperature gets down to -5. It'll bring the unit up to temperature, then it'll shut itself down again. So it'll do this repeatedly to keep the unit warm and be able to start through the till the user needs to run the machine. So basically, if you get a code that comes up here, you can use this box and go through it until you find the code, and you can tell the people at VMAC what you're seeing, and they can figure out. As you can see here, the view log messages. And you just scroll through it. You give the tech the numbers, and he'll be able to diagnose what's wrong with your unit.
Excellent.
This unit has been tested to -40 Fahrenheit.